Hello guys, so in this video we'll see like what is Jupyter Notebook and how we can set up this Jupyter Notebook. This is basically a open source a web application which allow you to write a code and you can execute a code and you can share a document that contain actually live code and all the visualizations. So this is basically just an open source tool which supports many languages like over 40 programming languages including Python, R and all. So I will show you just one example. Like I have created this a notebook using Jupyter Notebook. So it's like its code is there and like output is there. So it's very nice actually for sharing the document which contain code and the output of the code. And I have used this for the Python language. So in this video I will show you like how you can set up for Python, but you can like set up for language of your choice. Okay, so Python I have like already installed in my machine. Let me just check. Okay, so we are going to use pip command for installation. Okay, so pip is also set up. I have installed Python in this directory and all the commands scripts are present over here. So I will copy this path. Okay, it's currently is in progress. Okay, so installation is done and it is asking me to upgrade the PIP, but I am not going to upgrade the PIP. So let me just quickly show you like how to run the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's say you have to choose a folder where you want to start your your Jupyter Notebook. Let's say I have created this folder over here for Python. Okay, so I just copy this path. Let me just do the change directory. You just have to write Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let me just create a new file. Okay guys, so this is how you like create a normal file using this new button. You can create normal file in folders also here. So it will directly go to store into the directory where you have started your Jupyter Notebook. This C documents Python. Okay, no, now you can start your learning. Okay, so as I've already told you, like you can create your notebook for Python 3 because we have installed this notebook, Jupyter Notebook on the top of Python. So like, or you can go here and you can directly create a new notebook here also. And like, let's say you have created a notebook, you can also create a markdown and these types of files. And once your notebook is done, you can also export your notebook. Just like you have to select the format, like markdown is there, pdf is there, python file is there, html is there. So let me just show you one example. Like you want to download this as a notebook. Okay, so this notebook has got like generated. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.